aren't you?
It's nearly there. It's nearly there, Master.
Just stop it, Mark. Who did that?
Nick.
What? What would I do? Go.
Oh, piss off, Nick. You're always lying. Oh, Mark, you didn't do a very good job, did you?
Oh, sorry, Tony.
Chaos already.
Putting curtains up is a woman's job. Yeah? Honestly, you bring out the aggression in me, James.
Yeah? Hold that.
Alright.
Pull it. Oh, come on, you wuss boy.
I can't!
What an arse. There we go. I don't know if you're supposed to do that.
Exactly.
It makes a nice noise, doesn't it? Yeah, so it's breaking your neck. You better hold it here, little fella. I better go to the corner.
The making of. Our set designers. Hours of strenuous work to get just that right position.
Well, that'll do. Oh, Jesus, don't die.
Willem. Willem. Hello, Willem. Hello there, Willem. Hello,
The lady.
Hit him where it hurts.
Don't quite fit.
Go away! Go away, you crass little man with your funny instrument. Shall I get this all over your camera, shall I, hey? Foam all over your camera. Don't drop it now.
There's more.
Things I'd do for you. You your crappy film career.
You look pretty evil though, Mark.
Shut up.
There's
I don't know what the cat's doing.
You bastard.
You mother! There we are.
Oh, Will, come on, man. Will.
So evil you are.
Will.
Joke's on you, Nick, 'cause I'm not.
What's up, Will?
You are.
What's up, looking? What a dick. Hey, he looks pretty cool, actually.
You got to rush through it though.
Not mine.
Oh, give us a comb then, Nick.
A comb then, Nick. I think there should be one in my
Don't
bag.
waste your battery now.
Right, Steve.
Do it for me.
Bastard. I bet he's done that before, look. I bet he gets dressed up.
Oh,
like
yeah.
that. Just before he goes out on a
Yeah,
Friday
yeah,
night.
right.
Yeah, I don't know where it was.
That's right. Oh,
D-Ream.
It's got the handle again.
D-Ray. D-Ray.
I'm gonna wear my shades for this.
Yeah, even though it's dark in there.
Yeah, it's because I'm done. A bit of paisley now. You right, Nick?
No way.
I'll tell you, I think he's great.
Yeah, let's get ready to go, boys.
Go then.
You look like you're really,
Guys.
really far away.
Bit of advice, don't touch that. Don't drink it, I mean. Right, you can pretend you're drinking it, but don't actually drink it because it'll kill you.
What is it?
Cold tea. And it hasn't actually been put in boiling water in the first place. It's cold tea. Right, boss?
Where's the one that fires the caps and makes the big bang?
It's,
Oh, don't go off, mate.
yeah, I hope it does, because I'm... Jolly folly.
This man walking through the park, yeah? And he sees this man and this woman having sex. And he goes, oh my God, fucking disgusted. Like that. And he carries, you heard it?
No.
He carries on walking, yeah?
Now we're going to knock them off.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Oh, you retard. Anyway,
I've only got a little one.
You can leave, now you leave your shoot in your pocket.
go on then, go on.
You got to have it to your handles point at you, Steve. At least you can... No, be careful.
What are you doing, Nick? Are you testing your shot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Should be here. I can't find a machete, but this knife will do. This sword, I mean.
Bloody hell.
You seen it?
No.
How are you going to walk in with that tucked down your trousers subtly?
With a limp. Don't be stupid.
Like you cut,
Hey, go, look, it's sorted, like.
come on, you cut off your man. And
Yeah, as soon as you sit down.
I'm gonna sit down, I'm just gonna go and put this on the table, my gun on the table, and that's it.
Dougie always was a bit of a show-off.
You force yourself, mate. Just think like, just hate me, right?
Right, let's just see.
I never liked Amy.
Black?
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, I can't take you seriously with that wig.
That's on camera as well. What's you watch sit back?
No, we could send
I'm just
it.
trying to get him in the mood. He always gets upset when I talk
I'm not
about
going to get
Amy.
erotic with you if you say stuff
No.
like that, am I?
Erotic?
Did I say you? Yeah,
Right.
just look at him, he's
Alright. Okay. This is scene 5.
Space Cadet.
Hey, you're laughing now, mate. No, say let's work. Got him in a strop.
Right, this is scene 5 then, alright?
We haven't even done scene 2 yet.
Shut up,
Where are
boy.
you starting to focus from?
On you.
Focus it on the glass.
Yeah.
And just pan out. Let me hold this glass.
Alright, wait a minute. Right, scene 5. Go.
Are you actually filming it?
Yeah.
I was
I
expecting.
thought why?
Well, I said go.
Well, I thought it was a run through.
Yeah, but we can, it doesn't matter if you film it, we better. We can use some of it if it's good.
Yeah, right, scene 5.
I don't know what I'm going to talk about.
Right, go.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, I thought you were going to move back and then we start talking. I thought.
No, you can start talking and I'll pan back as you're
Oh,
moving, alright? Right.
Try again.
Scene 5. Take 6 or something. Go.
Do you want me to start off and say something? Source that you've done lots or something?
No, it needs to be focused on the big guy,
Oh, fuck.
the big cheese.
I was about to say Crutch Butcher.
Come on, I can't do this a little bit out of the way.
Scene 5, take 7.
Crutch Butcher. Tiddles McBlind. I called you today for a meeting. The cops have been sniffing around.